Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. Today I'm going to bring you along as I clean and decorate for fall. I've said it before, but fall is my favorite time of year and I was itching to decorate. Today's video, I'm going to clean a little bit, not a lot. Most of it's going to be decorating, but the best part about the video is who I'm doing this video in collaboration with. I am collabing with Naomi Rose here on YouTube. I'm going to link her channel here, up above, and then I will link her video below. Please be sure to go check her out. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to her. If you like my channel and my content, you're going to love hers. So go over, tell her I sent you, and enjoy hers as well. If you watched my most recent video, then you saw that my guest bedroom looked like fall exploded. I brought down all of my decor and put it all out on the bed in the guest bedroom and just started decorating. That pillow I just showed you came from TJ Maxx last year. This thankful pillow, I cannot remember where I got it. I've had it for several years. But I don't decorate the exact same way every year. There's no way I can remember how I placed everything. So it's kind of fun. It's getting to change up the house, but it's definitely a process. So I'm going to kind of take you along in that process today.
You're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride.
If you watched my Kirkland's Shop With Me video for fall, I picked this pumpkin up. This was one of the only things that I picked up this year that's new, and I really wanted it to be displayed out here along with that sweater pillow over there. That sweater pillow I keep out all year, but I just thought it matched really well. So this is what I ended up with in the entryway, and it's already changed since then, y'all. The greenery over there on the left beside the bench, I took all of that out and I put fall flowers in there, but you'll see that in my home decor tour coming up. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because that video will be coming up next week. When Hobby Lobby put their fall decor out and marked it 40% off, I picked up this cute little gather sign with the green frame. I really wanted to incorporate the green, that soft green, in my fall decor this year, and I love it.
God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air. A journey for life, I'm alive.
This pumpkin was lopsided. I think it happened when we packed it in with the rest of the fall decor. I think something crushed it. So it's crooked and it was driving me crazy. I wanted it to work, but it just was not working for me, so I ended up switching it out. But I just wanted to show y'all the process of kind of how I do things. It's definitely not a, oh, okay, this will all look good here and just set it out. It takes quite a while for me to decorate a space. I tweak it, step away, look at it. Sometimes I just have to walk away for a little while and then I come back and mess with it some more. It takes quite some time before I'm really pleased with it. And honestly, even after I recorded this, I still tweaked a few more things, and you'll see that in my fall home tour coming up.
Higher and higher, I'm gonna raise the flag. Fire oh fire, send out a flare to find. Give me a reason. I'm gonna send a sign, calling you over, calling you to my life. Running away.
The final space I'll show you today is my dining room table. If you missed the video where Carla McKenzie redid my dining room table, I'll link it here for you. We did like a trading spaces type thing where she came and redecorated my dining room table, and I went to her house and redecorated a spot in her home. It was a lot of fun, and I love what she did with mine. So it was time for me to decorate mine for fall. I brought out this table runner that I had, and then I'm going to bring out this flameless candle, like an LED candle, and I'm done. Y'all know I wasn't done. I was just messing. I made this lantern last year with my mom and my sister. We do a craft night every now and then. We haven't been able to do one lately, but last fall we did this one, and we followed a tutorial on YouTube. I will try and link it below in the description box if I can find it. But it was all made out of stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I love it. I think it's beautiful. So I wanted to bring it back out this year, and again, I'm just kind of messing with some things, playing around. This is some Dollar Tree garland, which I don't recommend. It's not the prettiest. I played around with it, couldn't figure out what I wanted to do with it. So you'll see me remove it here, but I did actually bring it back for my fall decor, but I just removed all of the leaves from it, like pulled them all off. So you'll see that again in my fall home tour. If you came over from Naomi's channel and watched this video, thank you so much for your support. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button so that you'll see the fall home tour next week. I will be showing a lot more decor in that video. This was just 3 small spaces in my home that I decorated today. There's a lot more, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you love fall too, and I'll see y'all next week.